Hi, my name's Sarah, and today I want to teach you about the greenhouse gas effect. So, what are greenhouse gases? Well, they can be found in our atmosphere and include water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, and ozone. And wow, that is a mouthful. So, before we talk anymore, let's take a deep breath together. And when we do this, I want you to put your hand in front of your mouth for me. So, we'll just breathe in and then breathe out. Did you see that? Right there. That was a greenhouse gas in my hand, in your hand. Well, you probably didn't see it, but what you felt, the air in your hand, contained carbon dioxide and water vapor. Every day, we produce carbon dioxide and water vapor, and also it's essential to our survival. So now that we know a few basic greenhouse gases and how we interact with them, let's look at the global picture. So the Earth receives solar radiation from the sun, and some of that radiation is lost through shortwave radiation that's reflected. This helps to keep the Earth's temperature regulated, and the greenhouse gases help to keep most of the heat on Earth's surface and only reflect some of it. This is what makes the Earth habitable. But unfortunately, when in excess, the greenhouse gases can become a problem. We run into issues like global warming and climate change when the greenhouse gases are in excess and create rises in temperature, among other negative outcomes. This is why understanding greenhouse gases and their effect is so important to solving future problems of climate change.